Hello everyone and welcome to Acad Guild. In this video, we'll see some advanced VLOOKUP function here related to three different tables. In the previous few videos, we have seen basic VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, lookup, match and index functions. But now this is some advanced VLOOKUP where I want to get the data from three different tables combined into one table. Okay, what I'm trying to say, let us see here. I have a table here that's a transaction table. Every day sales are done in the company. There's a transaction date, how many number of pipes are sold, what is the discount given, what is the type of pipe given, and what is the size. So I have to fill the price from some table here. That's a transaction happening, some details are given. I have to find out the price. Now there are three different tables. If I scroll on the right hand side, these are the three different tables. These are tables in the sense the data. This data belongs to one UPVC pipe. Okay, if you see, that's an unplastic size PVC pipe. So the shortcut is given as UPVC, okay, which is used for cold water. The rate for this UPVC pipes are different. If you buy a size of 2 inches, you'll get as 22.95. That's a dollar price. If you see 8 size 8 inch, if you buy, you have to pay how much? $130.8. If you buy some other type of pipe, that is PPVC, okay, so the rates are different, the size would be different. Okay, so if you see here in the first UPVC, you get only how many types? 6 different types of sizes: 1 inch, 2 inch, 3, 5, 6 and 8. But if you buy PPVC, you can get this 7 different types of sizes: 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 10. Carefully observe, 10 is not present in this column, but in this table you have 10 inch. If you buy some third type of pipe, that is CPVC, chlorinated PVC pipes for hot water, you have this size and these are the price. Now if I scroll on the right hand side, have a look here. So these are the different pipes here given. Okay, so if you see UPVC and it is giving us 2 inches. So what it will do is I have to find out from this UPVC table 2 inches and I have to write down as 22.95. This is using VLOOKUP, I can do it. Same way, if you see PPVC 10 inches. So I'll go to the table which has PPVC, that's PPVC. 10 inches is 95.95. So PPVC 10 inches 95.95. So this is a method we have to use it. Basically, if I don't use VLOOKUP, one by one I have to fill the prices. But imagine how many records I have. I have basically, you see how many? 5,000 records, 5,302 records, 5,301 if I say more specifically, excluding the column heading. So imagine it would be difficult if I don't use a VLOOKUP. So what is the method? So just have a look here. So but before that, just jumping here, these are the names of the table: UPVC, PPVC, CPVC. All three types of tables are given here. Okay, and these are the tables. So what is the first step? I'll give you a shortcut and easy method. Select this first table without the column headings, go to this name range, click here and type UPVC. UPVC, enter. Select this name range and type here as PPVC, enter. Select this without column headings, click in the name box CPVC, enter. Why I'm giving these names? Why not the other names? The reason number one is there's one identifier, that is UPVC, give me UPVC price. PPVC, give me PPVC price. So using this value, I can find out the, using this name, I can find out the price. Carefully observe, this value is not the value here. Basically it's a value, but it is also a name range. If you see, it's also a name range. If I say PPVC, that is a value in the cell, but along with that PPVC, this is also name of the range. You see, if I select this value, I have PPVC. So let's try the VLOOKUP function. It's very simple now. E equal to VLOOKUP. That's my lookup value. That's the size here, comma, and table array. I have three tables. Now which table should I select? Okay, I should select table whichever is given here. If UPVC is given, select UPVC table. If PPVC is given, select PPVC table. So I can say this name is the name of the name range. Okay, UPVC, basically it's a name range. So I'll use a function named as indirect. So what indirect does is it returns the reference specified by a text string. Okay, this text string is basically referring some name range. So open the bracket, select this particular cell, comma, and now in this table, all three tables has just two columns, and everywhere we want the second column answer. So I'll just type as 2 and close the bracket. Just make it as approximate, not the exact match, but approximate match. Enter. So you see 22.95. Now do not drag down. It's a very old method. You simply, what you do is you can just keep your cursor in the first cell wherever the lookup function is there. Double click on the small doctor symbol. This is known as small doctor symbol. This one has big doctor symbol. Double click on small doctor symbol and the formula would be copied to 5000 records. If you see, simply double click. That's the easiest method to drag the formula down. Now let us verify. PPVC 10 size inches is 95.95. PPVC 10 inches is 95.95. Let us verify this one. PPVC 7 inches is 7. PPVC for 7 inches is 61.95. PPVC for 7 inches is 61.95. So exactly it works in similar fashion. Okay, it's similar fashion what we were expecting. So let us again try to do it. I'll type as E equal to Vlookup. That's my lookup value, because lookup value size is present there, comma. Just type as indirect. That's the fastest method. Indirect, and this is the this is nothing but a table name. Close the bracket, comma. 2. 2 is giving me the column index number, and enter. So just select the first cell, double click, and all the places value would be entered here. So what was the method we have used? First step was selecting the table, okay, without the column headings, and giving the range, name range. All three tables will give the same name what they are looking for. So this name and the table name should be same, then only it will work. Some people might have the column index number, table number. Like we have the table name, some people might have 1, 2, 3. 3 stands for third table, 2 stands for second table. So any query if you have, just post down in the comments and you'll be getting a video based on that. But right now I hope you have understood how to work on the data when you have three different tables, table 1, table 2, table 3. From three tables, how do you get the values and put into one transaction table? I hope you have understood, and that's all for this video. Hey guys, if you like the video, please support us by clicking on the like button and subscribe the channel for further new upcoming videos on Excel. Thank you.
A cat killed. Average is dead.